In today's video, we're tackling a common myth. Why should I pay attention to fault codes if they don't actually repair my truck? If you're new here, OTR Performance helps owner-operators and fleet owners take control of their truck diagnostics, save on maintenance costs, reduce downtime, and understand your truck better. Visit otrperformance.com to learn more. Now let's dive in and debunk this myth together. Fault codes are your truck's way of signaling a health check. Each code provides specific information about underlying issues. Understanding what each code indicates allows for precise and efficient diagnosis. This targeted approach ensures necessary and effective repairs. Here are some examples. A check engine light alerting a sensor issue helps diagnose and fix the problem before it escalates. Addressing a DPF regeneration code promptly prevents costly after-treatment system repairs. Fault codes equal a health check. That's why you want to look at the troubleshooting data to understand how severe that fault code is for your truck. If you're driving a truck that has an after-treatment system, have a diagnostic tool with you to ensure that you're capable of performing diagnosis properly.